We are covering the critical skill of document review before notarizing, a key topic on the Arizona Notary Public Exam. Your first duty as a notary is to perform a quick visual scan of the document. You are not reading for content or providing a legal review. You are scanning for completeness to prevent fraud. The most common exam trap involves blank spaces. According to Arizona revised statutes, a notary public shall not perform a jurat on a document that is incomplete. If you are presented with a document containing blank spaces, you must refuse to notarize it. The potential for fraud is simply too high, as those spaces could be filled in after the notarization to alter the document's meaning. On the exam, a question might present a scenario where a signer promises to fill in a date or a name later. The only correct answer is to refuse the notarization until the signer fills in the space or draws a line through it and initials it. Next, you must check for missing pages. If the document pages are numbered, do a quick count to ensure everything is there. This prevents a notarized signature page from being fraudulently attached to a different document. An exam question might describe a signer presenting only the last page for notarization. You must insist on seeing the entire document before proceeding. You must also carefully review the notarial certificate itself. This is the section of the document where you, the notary, will sign and affix your seal. It must be complete. Common exam questions will test your knowledge of completing the venue, which is the state and county where the notarization physically takes place, and ensuring the date of the notarization is correct. If the notarial certificate is missing entirely, you enter a critical exam and real-world scenario. You absolutely cannot choose the type of notarial act for the signer. Doing so constitutes the unauthorized practice of law, a serious offense. You must ask the signer what type of notarization they need, such as an acknowledgment or a jurat. You can explain the difference. For an acknowledgment, the signer is declaring they willingly signed the document, while for a jurat, they are swearing or affirming that the contents of the document are true. The signer must choose. A great mental shortcut for this entire process is the phrase BPC, be prepared completely. B for blanks, make sure there are none. P for pages, make sure they are all present. And C for certificate, ensure it's complete and that the choice of certificate was made by the signer, not you. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.